Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to Reviews of Moose. Recently, Amazon had some lights that I wanted to put behind my monitor here in my office. They're made by Govee, and I got a couple other lights that are by Govee in this room. As you can see in the far left-hand corner over here, there is a pedestal light that goes up the side of that stand, whatever that is there. And but yeah, so I got the TV light bars from Amazon. They were on sale. They had 25% off. Ended up being $45.99. And so I'm going to go ahead and set these up, see what they look like on, download them on the app, show you what it looks like inside the box, what all needs to be plugged in. Yeah, so let's go ahead and do it. Again, these are the Govee TV light bars. I did get them in white. It was extra $5 for the white ones. I got a white desk, and my wife, if I'd had black stands, she would not like that. So I got the white ones. But let's go ahead and go to the unboxing here, and I'll be right back, and I'll go ahead and install them, show you where they're going to be at, and see what it goes. All right, so here's a close-up of the box. Again, I got Google Home in my home, my Govee. Let's go ahead and open it up. Let's see what's all in here. Guessing this is probably the power pack. Oh, those are the stands, it looks like. All right, so it looks like we got to put these things together pretty, guess it's not all into one here. All right, so it looks like we got a little bit of Bob the Builder stuff going on here, or Bob Vila, I don't know which one you want to call me. Let's go ahead and open up this one. All right, here's the plug for it. That's what I was looking for. So I'm guessing there's probably another plug in here. Let's see here. For both pedestals. I don't know what this one is. There's a lot of parts on here. I don't know what those are pedestals here. There's Ace coming to join us. And some more pedestals. Let's see what this is. Ace is not a box for you to sit in, bud. Let's see here. Oh, some kind of switch. But I'm going to be using the app, so it doesn't matter on that. And so I'm guessing this, oh, that's empty there. So these must be the actual lights themselves. Wow, there's like a lot of parts on here. Yeah, these are the two lights. That's empty. That's empty. This is now empty, so this all can be put to the side. Go ahead and open this part up here, see what this is. Put the camera down for a second. I have to use two hands, as my coach in baseball you said. Use two hands. Yeah, so this is a pedestal some sort, so we'll figure that out. That's the second one. This is one that looks like you can mount. I don't think I'm going to use that unless I have to. I don't think I will. And then, so we'll go ahead and install the instructions here, get these installed, and get them up and running. Be right back. All right, so at a further evaluation, these stands here are if you want to mount them to the back of your monitor. That's what those are for. So yeah, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to just go and have them put on the pedestals and then put them on there. Let's go ahead and get it set up. I'll be right back. All right, so I got them all set up behind my computer monitor. Looks pretty good. Hey, Google, turn off computer lights. Hey, Google, turn on computer lights. Hey, Google, turn computer lights to bright blue.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
Uh-oh. Hey, Google, turn computer lights to white. There it goes. So there's, I guess they got to say blue. Hey, Google, turn computer lights to blue. There we go. Now we're cooking with gas. But that's what they look like. I had to hide the cords a little bit so the wife don't get upset. So now we'll go ahead and finish up the review. All right, so again, this is the Govee TV Light Bar. I mean, it's a little bit more of a scenic type plus, I guess it would be. I like it. I mean, for $45, can't beat it. Adds a little bit more of a pleasure scenery in the room here in my office. Something different. But yeah, it's a good review. Highly recommend this product. Hurry up, pick it up on Amazon. I'll put a little link behind. Hopefully that the coupon and everything's still available. I'm sure it is. But yeah, I just got this in the mail today, and thanks for tuning in. Reviews with Moose here. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and everybody have a wonderful